Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of finely diced pickles, which are the star of our dish. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of minced red onion and 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped dill to brighten the flavors. These simple items form the delicious base of our salad. Now let's get our ingredients ready for mixing. Start by dicing your pickles into small, consistent pieces, ideally about 1/4 inch cubes. This ensures a pleasant texture in every bite. Next, mince your red onion very finely. We want its flavor, not its crunch. Once everything is prepped, gently combine the diced pickles, minced onion, and fresh dill in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Stir well to ensure an even blend. The dressing is crucial for a perfect pickle salad. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise until smooth. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It provides a lovely tang. Stir in 1 tablespoon of pickle juice from your jar. This adds moisture and enhances the pickle flavor. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until everything is well combined and creamy. Now for the exciting part, bringing it all together. Carefully pour your creamy dressing over the bowl of diced pickles and onions. Using a spatula, gently fold the ingredients until everything is thoroughly coated. Avoid overmixing to maintain texture. For best results, cover the bowl and chill the pickle salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your delicious homemade pickle salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.